Good morning to my dear children. Welcome to maths class. Now everyone open studio page number 36. Okay, are everyone completed this activity, children? So here once we have to compare to others. So is everyone like same flavor, children? I like rose and somebody like jasmines and somebody likes marigold. And in same way also I like blue and somebody likes green, yellow, red and animals also like. So that means each of us is different in one way. So we also have a name which is only ours. Okay, my name is Deepika and others name is Devika, like that now. So here and the next, in the same way every number looks different and has a name for itself. Okay children, now I will ask one question. We are writing each number in same way, children. So here once you have to observe, I write number 1 like this. Next 2, you have to write 2 in also the same way. No, we are writing 2 in another way. So here every number looks different and has a name for itself. So here we are reading this is 1 and we are reading this is also 1. No. So this is 2. That means the numbers are having different number names. Okay. The numbers are having the name itself. Next, fill in the boxes with the correct numbers. Okay. Fill in the blanks with correct number. So first let us count how many apples are given here, children. So here given 1 apple. Okay, here given only 1 apple. Okay, so it is number 1. And what is the number name of 1, children? Voyani 1. Okay, Voyani 1. Next, let us count how many fishes given here, children. How many fishes given here? Let us count 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. So write 2 in the blank. Here also given 2. Next, now write number name. TWO2. Okay, everyone say along with me. TWO2. Next, let us count how many chocolates are given here. How many chocolates are given here, children? Here given 3 chocolates. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So here not given number. So in this you have to write number 3. How to write number 3? This is 3. You have to write number 3. Now write the number name. So you have to write 3. THRE3. Okay children. Next, let us count how many flowers given here. So everyone count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many flowers are here? 4. So tell the number name of 4, children. FOUR4. Okay, FOUR4. Next, let us count how many spiders are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the number name of 5? FIVE5. Okay, FIVE5. Okay children, let us count how many houseflies are given here. Okay, everyone count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, how many houseflies are here? Totally 6. So here you have to write 6 in the given box. And here given number name already. So what is the number name of 6? SIX 6. Next. So here what do you observe here? Here given some candies. Let us count how many candies are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here totally how many candies are given here? 7 candies. Okay, write the number 7. So here given number 7 already. So no need to write. What is the number name of 7 children? S-E-V-E-N, 7. Next, let us count how many cars are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally how many cars are here children? 8. Okay children, so now write number 8. Okay, we know that this is number 8 and here given number name already. So what is the number name of 8 children? E-I-G-H-T, 8. Next, so let us count how many stars are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many stars are given here children? Totally 9 stars. And here given number and number name also. So this is number 9. And what is the number name of 9 children? N-I-N-E, 9. Okay. N-I-N-E, 9. So every number looks different, has its own value and also a name for itself. Is it correct or wrong children? Yes. Every number has a own value and name for itself. So we read this number as 6 and we read this number as 7 and we read this number as 8. Okay, like that. Next, create an animal using any number of your choice between 1 to 9. Okay, here you have to create any animal with using of numbers 1 to 9. Okay, so first of all, now I will draw one animal with using of number and you have to take another numbers and draw the animals. Okay, so first of all, I will take number 8. Okay, I am taking number 8. So now here I will draw one snowman. Okay children. Okay, so here you have to observe. Here I drawn one snowman with using of number 8. Okay, so you have to take another numbers and draw the other animals. And another one. So I am taking number 5. Okay, so you have here I will draw one apple with using of this number 5. Okay, children. So this is drawn with using of number 5. So here you have to take the remaining numbers and draw the animals like this. Next, hands-on activity. Let's play a game. Follow the instructions given by your teacher to find your partner. Write the number and the number name in the table given below. So actually this is the classroom activity, but you are not coming to school, no. So here you have to write one number. Okay, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to take one number and write here, and you have to write another number. That means here you have to imagine that is a partner number. Okay, here you have to write any two numbers and number names also. Okay children, I think are you clear? Here just you have to write number and number name here, and that is your card. And here also you have to write one number and number name. That is your partner numbers card. Next, Now everyone open companion page number 23. Okay, 3C. I will read the question. Listen carefully, everyone, children. Draw things you like for the numbers given below. Also write the number name. One is done for you. So here given numbers, and here we have to draw the objects and also write number name. Okay. So first you have to draw the things. So here the first number 8 given, and here drawn 8 stars. You have to leave that next. Next number 3. Here 3 given. So here we have to draw 3 things. Any use your wish. You have to draw 3. So here I am drawing 3 balls. Okay. So here the number 3 given. So here you have to draw 3 balls. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now you have to write number name also. What is the number name of 3? THREE 3. Okay, children. Next, here given 1. So which number it is, children? It is 1. You have to draw one object. As your wish, you have to draw any object. Okay, now here I am drawing one butterfly. Okay, children, you have to draw any object like. So here I draw one butterfly. Now you have to write number name. What is the number name of 1? ONE 1. Okay, ONE 1. So here remaining 3 is there. You have to do the homework and send to me. Next, everyone open page number 39. Observe 3.9. How many legs? 3.9. How many legs do the following have? Write the number and number name for each. So here given animals, here we have to write number of legs of the animal having and write number name. So first, so here given dog. Okay, children, here given in the animal given a dog. Okay, let us tell children, dog having how many legs? Dog having 4 legs. Okay. So dog having 4 legs. You have to write number 4 in the number of legs. And now write the number name. What is the number name of 4? F-O-U-R 4. Okay. So next, a crow. You have to write number of legs of the crow having neck. And the next is spider. Okay, is spider. So do you know, children, how many legs does the spider have? So spider having 8 legs. Okay, spider having 8 legs. What is the number name of 8, children? E-I-G-H-T 8. Okay, so next, an elephant. You have to write the number of legs of the elephant having and also write number name. Next, last one, an ant. So do you know ant having how many legs? Ant having 6 legs. Okay, so now write the number name of 6. What is the number name of 6, children? S-I-X 6. Okay, you have to fill this table like this, everyone. Note down. Okay, children, so now everyone open page number 43.10. So this is perpetuity. Which branch has more leaves? Do not count. Make a guess. Draw a bird on the branch that you think has more leaves. Okay, children. Once you have to observe these branches. Here given 2 branches. just you make a guess which branch has more leaves. Okay, and here draw a board on the branch that you think has more leaves. Okay, in these two branches, which one is having more leaves? You have to draw one board. So how to guess the which one has more branches and which one has low branches? Once you have to count the number of leaves. So after that, which one having more leaves, you have to draw one board. Okay, children, next. Now let's count and check. Number of leaves on the branch 1. Okay, number of leaves on the branch 1. Let us count how many leaves on the branch 1, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, in the branch 1 having 7 leaves. And let us count branch 2 leaves. So number of leaves on the branch 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, in branch 2 having 9 leaves. 9 is more than 7. Is it correct or wrong? Yes, 9 is more than 7. We say that 9 is greater than 7. Okay, here the branch 2 having more leaves. Why? Because branch 2 having 9 leaves. So 9 is greater than 7. Okay, 9 is greater than 7 or 7 is less than 9. Okay, so here when we compare the numbers, we are using two symbols. Okay, when we compare numbers, we are using two symbols. Listen carefully, everyone. So this is less than, okay, this is less than, and this is greater than. Okay, this is less than and this is greater than. Okay, here in the second branch having how many leaves? Second branch having 9 leaves, and in the first one having 7 leaves. Okay, here 9 is greater. No, here you have to use greater than symbol. Why? Because here the number 9 is greater than number 7. So if the 9 is greater means you have to use greater than symbol. So the meaning of this means here 9 is greater than 7. And for example, in the branch 1 having how many leaves, children? Branch 1 having 7 leaves. Okay. And the branch 2 having 9 leaves. Okay, 7 leaves is smaller. No. So 7 is less than 9. Okay, here this meaning is 7 less than 9 and here 9 greater than 7. 7 less than means 7 is smaller than number 9. And here 9 is greater than 7. Okay, children. So which symbol it is? Is greater than and it is less than. Okay, so now I will ask one question. For example, I give a number like this 3, 5. Okay, here which symbol we have to place here? Less than or greater than? Once you have to check. First one is smaller number or greater number. Here the first one is smaller than 5 or not, children? Yes. Here first number is smaller. You have to use less than. Okay, here 3 is smaller than 5. Next here I give it numbers like this. Once you have to check the first number is smaller or greater to the second number. 5 is greater than 3. No, here you have to use greater than symbol. Okay, children, I think all clear. So when we compare numbers, we are using two symbols, less than and greater than. If the first number is smaller means you have to use less than, and the first number is greater means you have to use greater than symbol. Okay, children, so next one. So count and write the number of petals in each flower. Okay, you have to count the number of petals in each flower, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here this is having 5 petals, and next count the petals of this flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here the first flower having 5 petals, and the second one also having 5 petals. When the numbers are the same, we say that they are equal to each other. Okay, if the numbers are same, here the first one is having 5 petals, and also second one is also having 5 petals. When the numbers are the same, we say that they are equal to. So here this is equal to this one. Okay, here 5 is equal to 5. We use equal to. This is the symbol for equal to. So we use equal to for the symbol equal. So here you have to check 3.11. Okay, children, next observe 3.11. Fill in the blanks with boxes with less than, greater than, or is equal to. Okay, so first you have to check here 8 and 5. So here 8 is greater than 5 or smaller than 5, children. Here 8 is greater than 5. So here the first number is greater. So if the first number is greater means you have to use greater than symbol. Okay, here this means 8 is greater than 5. So next go to the second one, 7 and 4. So you have to check the first number is greater or smaller. Here 7 is greater than 4 or less than 4. 7 is greater than 4. So if the first number is greater means you have to use greater than symbol. Okay, next 3 and 3. So once you have to check the numbers, here also given 3 and here also given 3. So these three are the same numbers. Okay, if the two numbers are equal means you have to use equal to symbol. So this is equal to symbol. Here you have to place equal to symbol. Next 2 and 6 here given here. Once you have to check 2 is smaller than 6 or greater than 6. So 2 is smaller than 6. So that means here 2 is smaller number. So here you have to use less than symbol. Means here 2 is smaller than 6. Note down everyone. Okay, next observe 3.12. Draw more flowers on the yellow t-shirt than the blue one. So here given two t-shirts. So the first one is blue and the second one is yellow. So you have to draw more flowers on the yellow t-shirt than the blue one. So let us count how many flowers in the blue shirt. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here given 4 flowers. Okay, now in this yellow shirt you have to draw more flowers on the blue shirt. So more means you have to draw more than 4. So here I drawn so more than 4 means you have to draw more than 4 flowers. So now here I drawn 5 flowers. Here you have to write number 5. So now write less than or greater than or is equal to in the boxes but fill. So here in this t-shirt 4 flowers are here, and here in this t-shirt totally 5 flowers are here. Now you have to check which symbol we need to place here. Here 4 and 5. So 4 is smaller than 5 or greater than 5. 4 is smaller than 5. So you have to place less than here. Okay, children, otherwise you have to draw more than 4 also, like 7 or 8 or 8 you have to draw here, and observe the which symbol you have to place here. Okay, children, so this is about today's class. Thank you.